Hello, good morning, guys.
Good morning, sir.
Yeah, very good morning. Let me share my screen. Yeah, previously we are going to discussing about OOPS concepts. Okay, coming to OOPS concepts, we are having a different types of concepts like inheritance, polymorphism, abstraction, and encapsulation. Okay, coming to inheritance. Okay, what is meant by inheritance? Inheritance is a mechanism through which we can derive from one class to another class, like parent and child relationship. Okay, we have to declare from one class to another class. To declare from one class to another class, which keyword we are using? Extends keyword we have to use. Which keyword we have to use?
Extend, sir.
Extends keyword we have to use. Okay. In coming to inheritance, we are having a different types of inheritance like single level inheritance, multi-level inheritance, hierarchical, multi, and hybrid. Okay. But few inheritance concepts is not going to support in Java. So we are going for single level and multi-level. Clear, guys?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And coming to second concept is polymorphism. Okay. Polymorphism is nothing but poly means one, morphism is nothing but many forms. So polymorphism is nothing but one name with many
Uniform.
forms. Okay. And it is divided into two types. One is method overloading, and coming to second one is the method overwriting. Okay. Another name for method overloading is compile time polymorphism. Okay. Method overriding is nothing but runtime polymorphism. Clear? Now the third concept is abstraction. What is the next one? Abstraction. Okay. Abstraction. Okay. Now what is meant by abstraction means abstraction is a mechanism. Abstraction is a mechanism of retrieving retrieving the data, retrieving the essential details. 1 second, guys. Retrieving the essential details is called as abstraction. Is called as abstraction. A class. Okay, if you want to use the abstraction, we have to declare a class as abstract. Okay, a class name have to be abstract. Okay, it have to be declared with an abstract keyword. Okay, a class which is declared with a abstract keyword. With what keyword we have to use, guys? We have to use a abstract keyword for the abstraction. Okay, so that's the reason only it is going to become as a abstract class. Okay, then the keyword, then it is going to become as a abstract class. Otherwise, it is going to become as a normal class only. It's known as abstract class. Known as abstract class. Now we'll see the example. Okay. Now I am going to Eclipse. How to create a class? How you are going to create a class? No one? I am right click on a package. Go to new, under new,
Class.
create a class.
Class.
Okay. Here I am giving my class name as abstraction example, and I am enabling public static void main string arguments because to execute our Java programs, main method is mandatory. Okay, and then just click on finish. Again, just click on finish. Now same, okay, same as inheritance concept only, but here we have to use a abstract class. Only that one difference is there. Can anyone how to create a class? Hmm? Class here I am giving just as a animal. Okay.
Void.
void, void, you are going to create a method, void, just just you can give any name. This is a what? This is a normal class. So no,
Yes,
this
sir.
is a normal class. Okay. If you want to create another class, how you are going to create another class? By using extends class dog extends of
Extend animal.
animal, extends of animal. If you want to create a method, means you are going to create a one of the method like this. Okay. If you want to use the output, means you are using system.out.println. This is running and this is playing. You are going to give. This is a normal classes. Yes or no? These are the normal classes. Any difference is there?
No, sir.
No difference. But for using the abstraction, we have to use the abstract keyword.
Keyword.
We have to use the abstract keyword. How to use the abstract keyword means, okay, nothing is there before class. Okay, before class, we have to use the abstract. Okay, here class is the error here. 1 second. Huh? What happened? Syntax error. Delete this token. Okay. Okay. Now I am going to create one more class. Okay. That class is nothing but any name I am giving. Okay. This is going to become as a normal class. Any difference is there? Any difference is there, guys? No
No, sir.
difference. Okay. Here before class name, here we have to use the one of the keyword. What is that keyword?
Abstract.
Abstract. Okay. Then this class is going to become as a
Abstract.
abstract class. Okay. Then this class is going to become as a abstract class. If you want to create a abstract method also, we can create. How you are going to create? You are going to create a method like just simple void
AP.
test you are going to give. Okay. Test you are going to give. Okay. Before void, I have to use one of the keyword. What keyword?
Abstract.
Abstract keyword. Then that is going to become as a abstract method. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, just keywords you have to enter. Okay, for abstract method, there won't be any body for the abstraction. Okay, there won't be any body. Okay, no body for the abstraction. No body for the abstraction. Clear? Okay, here I have created a different classes and here I have created a different methods. Okay, to call these methods, how you are going to call? How we are going to call? If I execute this program, it is going to execute.
No, sir.
Then what I have to do? I have to create an object. Okay, I have to create an object. How to create an object? Class name, class name, any reference equal to new
Uh,
class name. The class name any reference equal to new class name. Okay, reference dot method name. Okay, what are the method names is there? Those all method names. Here it is going to come. Obj dot play like that. Okay, obj dot
Test.
test. Test is not going to come. Why? Because that is an abstract
No.
class. Okay,
Yes,
it is retrieving. Okay, it is for that there is a no body for that. Okay, it is not going to. Yes or no? Anything came there?
yes, sir. No, sir.
Okay, so it is not going to come anything. Okay, so like this you have to use. Okay, simple, nothing is there. Okay, here we have to keep, before that class we have to keep an abstract. Okay, then that class is going to become as a abstract class. Okay, go to run as, just run the application. Okay, it is going to execute. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, if you want to write, you can write down. Once done, please let me know.
ବାପରେ ନମସ୍କାର। ଭଲ୍ୟୁମ୍ ପୁରା କମି ଯାଉଛି ତୋର, ଭଲ୍ୟୁମ୍ ଟା। କିଏ ହେଲୋ? ମୁହଁ ଯାହା ଜଣା ବାହାରୁଛି, ପାଣି ପିଇବି, ରୋଲ ଲେଖୁଛି ପରା। ଏଇଟା ତାପରେ ପାଣି ପିଇବି।
Is it done, guys?
Done, sir.
Now I will go for one more thing. What is that one? What is the next concept? Inheritance is completed, polymorphism is completed, abstraction is completed. Now the next one is encapsulation. Encapsulation. Mostly if you go for the interviews, okay, they will ask inheritance and polymorphism, but these things also important, guys, okay? This also very, very important, okay? Coming to encapsulation, okay? Encapsulation is nothing but the process of here retrieving, here it have to be binding, okay? The process of binding the data and code together, okay? Here data we have to bind, and at the same time, code also we have to bind together into a single entity, is called as encapsulation, If you are using the encapsulation concept, okay, you have to remember one more thing, okay? If you want to use encapsulation, we have to use getter and setter concept, okay? In some of the organization, instead of encapsulation, they are going to call as a getter and setter concept. First we want to get the details, after that same details I want to set. Clear? Suppose if you are going to join into a new organization, first they are going to collect your details, same details they are going to save into a records. Clear? They are going to set. Guys, understanding?
Yes, sir.
Okay, this is a different concept. Okay, now I am going to create a one of the class. How to create a class? Right click on a package, go to new, under new, create a class. Okay, here I am going to give my class name as encapsulation example, and I am enabling public static void main string arguments, and just click on finish. Okay, just click on finish. Now here I am going to set, first I am getting the details, after that I am going to set the details. Okay, here what are the details? Suppose I am joining into a new organization or new college. Okay, first what are the main things? Name is required, roll number is required. Yes or no, guys? Yes or no?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay, now I want to get the name and I want to get the roll number. Okay, first I am going to get the details. Okay, first the name means string value. Yes or no? Name means string value. Yes or no, guys?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now I am going to give any name. Okay, anything that is okay. I am going to get the details. Okay, public string, syntax error. Why it is coming as syntax error? Oh, I have to create one class. Sorry. I am creating one of the class, any name. Under this class I want to create. Okay, I am creating public. This is belongs to a string value. First I am going to get my name. Clear? Why again this showing error? Public string. Okay, I will. Yeah, okay. I am going to set a name. Okay, what it is displaying? Add return statement. What we have to return? Add return statement. Just add the return statement. What it have to return instead of null? Okay, it have to give any name. Okay, your wish, you can give any name, guys. Okay, you can give any name. That is up to your wish. Clear? Guys, are you clear? Hello.
Yes, sir. Clear.
Okay, same like that only. I am going to create one more thing. Public This is belonging to roll number. Okay, this is belonging to roll number. Roll number means integer value I have to use or string value I have to use?
Integer.
String?
Integer, sir.
Integer. So integer means I am using just int. Okay. After that, I am going to use any one of the variable like get roll number. Okay. Same like this also I am going to return one of the statement like instead of 0, I am using return test roll. Okay. These two are the privates. Okay. These two are the private methods. Yes or no? This is a private method and this is also a private method. If this is a private method means I have to use a private string. Private string, I have to declare this as a private string test name. Okay, the error has been gone. This is also belonging to private. Okay, same like that only. I am going to use private. This is an integer variable, so just I am using private int test roll. Private int test roll. Yeah, okay. Private int test roll, guys. Okay, setting is completed. Okay, same thing I want to, so getting is completed. Okay, getting is completed. Now same thing I want to set. Okay, same thing I want to set in this class. How I need to set in this class? I want to set public void. Okay, this is a belongings to, this is belongings to what? Set. So that's the reason I am using set name. Okay, set name string I want to set a new name. Okay, I want to set a new name. Clear? Okay, this new name is equal to this test name. Yes or no? What details you get it? Same details I want to set here. Clear? Clear, guys?
Yes, sir.
Okay. What name they have get same name I want to set here. Okay. So this test name is equal to this new name. This test name is equal to this new name. Okay. Clear? No more questions? Same like that only. Here I have getted one roll number. Same roll number here I have to set. Okay. How you are going to set? Public void set roll. This is belonging to integer value or a string value? Integer. So just I am using int new roll. This new roll is equal to this new roll equal to test roll. Okay. Test roll equal to new roll. Okay, it have to be same name, guys. Okay, be careful for that. Clear? Okay. First I have getting the details. After that, setting the details. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, if I want to execute the programs, okay, if I want to execute the programs, how you are going to execute? Okay. I want to create an object. How to create an object? How to create an object? Class name. What is the class name? Huh? Ncap obj equal to new ncaps. Okay, new ncap. Okay, here what are the different types of methods is there?
Test name, test row.
Set name, set row. Okay, set name, set row. Okay, I have getted. First I want to set. Okay, I want to set obj dot. I want to set my name. Okay, what is my name? My name is Rajesh. Okay, after that I want to set my roll number. Okay, set roll number. This is belonging to integer value, so I am giving any integer value. Clear? Same thing I want to get. Okay, I want to get in the output. Yes or no? Run as Java application. Okay, if I use run as Java application, it is going to execute or it won't execute. It is not going to execute. I have set the details, but I did not get this one. Okay, if I want to get these details, how you are going to get system.out.println, how you are going to get obj.getName. Obj.getName. Okay, system.out.println obj. What name is there? What roll number is there? Same roll number I want to get. obj.get roll number. Clear? Now tell me what output you are going to expect.
Name as Rajesh.
Name and
That's
Name as Rajesh and roll number as 798. Okay. If you go for any new organization, they are going to change their names. Clear? Okay. Like that, they will change and they are going to print ID cards. They are going to display their names like that. Clear? Okay. This is the way. This is a different concept, guys. Okay. First, we want to set. After that, we want to get this. What are the name you are going to get? Same name. It have to equal here. Clear? That's it. Nothing matters. Okay, write it down. If you have any questions, you can ask. I will go for next concept. Once it is done, please let me know. Is it done, guys?
1 minute. Sir.
No, sir.
Okay. Once done, please let me know.
Done, sir.
Yeah. Okay. Any more doubts, guys? Inheritance, polymorphism, abstraction, and encapsulation, loops concepts. Guys,
No, sir.
okay. Now coming to next concept is arrays. Okay, coming to next concept is arrays. Okay. Arrays is nothing but it is a collection of elements. Okay. Arrays is nothing but it is a collection of elements. Array is a collection of similar elements. Okay, it is a very easy concept. Okay, array is nothing but it is a collection of similar elements. Okay, here we are having a different types of arrays. Okay, what are the different types of arrays we are having? One is single dimensional array, and coming to second one is the multi-dimensional array. How many types is there? First one is single dimensional array, and coming to second one is the multi-dimensional array. First one is single dimensional, and second one is the multi-dimensional array. What is an array, guys?
Collection of similar elements.
Collection of similar elements.
A collection of elements. Okay, collection of similar elements we are going to do. Okay, here we are having a two types of arrays. How many types of arrays we are having?
Two types.
What are those?
Single dimensional array and multi-dimensional array.
Multi-dimensional array. Okay. First we will see the single dimensional array. After that we will see the multi-dimensional array. Okay. Coming to single dimensional array, it is going to store a single list. Okay. It is going to store a single list of elements. Okay. It stores single list of elements. Single list of elements is called as single dimensional array. Single dimensional array. Okay, coming to multi-dimensional array means it is going to store list within the list. Okay, how it is going to store? List of list. Okay, list of list it is going to store for a multi-dimensional. Okay, here only single list. Here coming to multi-dimensional means list of elements. Okay, clear? Okay, now how you are going to create a single dimensional array and what are the different types of similar elements we'll see now. Okay, how to create a class? Right click on a package, go to new, under new, create a class. Okay, here I am giving my class name as single dimensional array and enabling public static void main and just click on finish. Okay, here single, it is going to store a single list. Okay, how we are going to declare an array? Okay, elements means integer values only, guys. Okay, elements means integer values only. Okay, how to create means integer a equal to how many values you want, that many values we have to declare. Okay, int I want 5 values, so that's the reason I am giving here 5 values. How many values it is going to accept, guys, in this integer? How many values it is going to print?
5, sir.
Only 5 values only we have to give. Okay, the array index is going to start from 0 onwards. Okay, at what value it is going to start?
0 to 5.
0 to 4. Okay, 0 to 4. Okay, 0 to 4 only it is going to display. Okay, now how you are going to call means array of 0 at 0th position. Sorry, at 0th position you have to give one specific value, array of 1. Okay, at 1 position you have to give any value, array of 2. You have to give one specific value, array of 3. You have to give one specific value, array of 4. Like this you have to give us. Clear? Array of 5. Okay, you can give any values. Okay, array of 5. Now let's see whether it is going to come or not. Okay, like this you have to declare, guys. Understanding? Hello?
Yes, sir.
This is a very easy concept. Okay, this is a very easy concept. Okay, if I execute, oh, I have not declared system.out.println. Okay, see what exception it came? What exception it came? Array index out of bound exception. Okay, index is 5 values. Okay, what I have mentioned here, index is 5 only here I mentioned, but here how many I have used? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so that's the reason here exception is came. Yes or no? Guys, understanding? Okay, it have to declare only 5. Okay, here I have used 6. Okay, not only 5, here at what value you have declared, that many values you can declare, or more than values it is not going to declare. Okay, here I have given as 12. Okay, now the error is going to come or won't come?
Awesome, sir.
Won't come. Okay, won't come. Okay, see the error is not come. Okay, suppose if here I given only specific number 3, but here I have declared 6. Okay, now the index is out of bound exception will come. What bound exception? What bound exception, guys?
Index of 3 out of
Index out of bound exception. Okay, what out of bound exception? Index is 3, but it is more than 3. Okay, you are using more than 3. So that's the reason here index is out of bound exception is came. Okay, if you want to print output, you can use system.out.println array of 0 or array of 1. Okay, what value you want, that value you can print. Okay, but here it have to be specific thing. Okay, so I am declaring as a 6. Run as Java application. Clear? Okay, array of 1 is what value? 45. Like that, what value you want, you can use. Clear? Understood, guys? Suppose you have to ask one more question. What is that question? This is a difficult way. Okay, here suppose 100 values is there. Suppose here 100 values is there. Like that, system.out.println I have to give 100 times. Instead of going like that, we can use another method also. We have to use one of the loop. Which loop? Which loop, guys?
For loop.
For loop. Okay, we have to use a for loop. For int I equal to 0, I is less than a dot length, a plus plus. Now here I am using system.out.println. Now, how I need to call? Can anyone? Now each and everything is available under I. Yes or no? Under index only, na, each and everything is available. A of I. Okay. Now each and every values how to display. Run as Java application. Clear? Guys, understanding? If you want to write system.out.println also, you can write. Okay. But 100 values, 1000 values is there means that is very, very difficult at that time. Clear? Hello.
Yes, sir, clear.
Okay, you can use the system.out.println also, but if more array list is there at that time, it is very, very difficult. Okay, instead of going that plan, we are using a for loop. Once done, please let me know.
Done, sir.
Is it done?
Done, sir.
Is it enough or we can continue multi-dimensional also?
Enough, sir.
Okay. Hmm?
Enough, sir.
Enough? Okay. So if you have any questions, you can ask. No questions? Hello. Hello, guys.
No doubt, sir.
Okay, guys. Okay. See you tomorrow, same time. Okay.
Bye.
Thank you. Bye bye.
Bye.